We've all experienced it, that drowsy sensation that sneaks up on you after a large meal. One minute you're chatting and laughing with friends and family, and the next you're slumped back on the couch, struggling to keep your eyes open. Italians have a special word for the fit of drowsiness that occurs after eating a large quantity of food.
Abbiocco.
Masculine, plural.
Abbiocchi. Abbiocco.
Unlike the kind of sleepiness you experience before going to bed, the abbiocco is an invitation to abandon yourself to a pure state of relaxation, or to shrug off your responsibilities for a brief time before returning to the real world.
Dopo il pranzo di domenica mi è venuto un abbiocco e mi sono sdraiato sul divano.
After Sunday lunch, I had one of those drowsy spells, so I lay down on the couch. The word is often paired with the verb
Avere.
to create the expression,
Avere l'abbiocco.
literally, to have the drowsiness.
Ho un abbiocco pazzesco. Forse dovrei andare a fare una passeggiata per svegliarmi.
I'm so sleepy. Perhaps I should go for a walk to wake myself up. The word originates from the dialects of the central regions of Italy, namely
Lazio.
and
Le Marche.
it derives from the verbs
Abbioccare. Abbioccarsi.
which mean to exhaust and to doze off, respectively.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.